dance is called Ain't Supposed to Be. It's by Sally Talbot, 32 counts, 2 walls, 1 tag at the end of wall 2. I'm going to run over the first wall all the way through with the words and then with the count. Then I'm going to run over the tag and the ending. I'm then going to do a quick little demo, a 2-wall demo, and then after the demo I'm going to break it down section by section with a full demo at the end. So you can always skip ahead to any chapter that you like. If you're on YouTube, use the chapter buttons or the fast forward button and take it back any time that you like. Anyway, face the front with me. I'm going to run through the first wall, words first, then the count, then we'll do the tag, the ending. I've said it all before. Here we go. Face the front with me. Let's do it. Weights on your left foot, stepping to the right, side, behind, side, push, recover, side, cross, scissor, 8th, shuffle, slow, left, together, left, run with the right, left, rock forward, recover, half turn, prep on the corner, full turn left, prep on the corner, full turn right, step together, back, straighten up, back, wall and sway left and right, roll left, full turn, sway right, sway left, with a scissor step, cross, push, quarter, walk, slow right, slow left, step together, back together, drag forward, sweep back, behind, quarter, step together, end of dance. Face the front, we're now going to do it with the count. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. There is a tag that happens at the end of wall number 2. It's an 8-count tag. Face the front with me. We're simply going to do the sway, sway, roll and a sway, sway, roll. However, we are doing it on the opposite foot. So we're swaying to the right, right, left, roll to the right, left, right, roll to the left, and you drag your foot in, ready to start again. Now with the count, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, ready to start out to the right. We're going to finish the dance on the 16th count and we're going to slightly change it. You'll be facing the front wall to start. We're going to go all the way up to our end. We step side, behind, side, push with the left, side cross, scissor an 8th, shuffle left, right, left, 2 runs and rock. Into our half turn, you step on the left, you prep. Now, we still do our full turn, left shoulder, prep again. Now, over the right shoulder, we would usually do another full turn. For our ending, we're going to do a 1.5 turn, just to bring you back to the front. Step, step, out to the side, and bring it in. I like to click, you can do whatever you want. So just so you can see again, we go from our rock, half turn, step, full turn, step, 1.5 step, end of dance. I'm going to give you a quick 2-wall demo, including the tag, so you can have a quick look, and then I'm going to break it down section by section after this. Here we go. Face the front. Let's do 2 walls.
All this was supposed to be just for fun. Yeah, you were never supposed to be the one. I wasn't either. But before I knew we were, wildflowers growing through the cracks of the concrete in a downtown sea of lonely. Baby, I found you and you found me, and we found love where it ain't supposed to be.
quick look at the dance the way it was written with the little demo and the tag. I'm going to break it down section by section, counts of 8. So face the front as we go through the words and the count, nice and slow and pinpointing anything you may need to know. Face the front, let's go through section number 1. For our first section, we are weights on our left foot ready to step out to the right on count 1. Now in our first section, 1 is a drawn out count, as is 7. The rest is all syncopated 2 and 3 and 4. That's your right foot 1. We then step behind with the left foot, side with the right, cross rock or push, recover your weight. Side, cross. Now to the left, we are going to do a scissor step, but we are turning an 8th to the right. We are going to turn on the first step of your scissor, an 8th together into that forward step, treating it as a shuffle or a slow shuffle, step together, step. Now that's count 7. We're going to draw that count out, 2 runs forward, right, left, ready for our next section. Now just do it one more time with me, nice and slow with the count. Out to the right, we step 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and. Now let's do it one more time. This time I'm just going to speed it up just a little bit. I'm going to do a mix of word and count for this one here, just so you can get the feel of it. So let's face the front, weights on your left foot, I'll count you in, 7, 8, side 1, behind and push, recover, side, cross, scissor step, left together, left, pull 7, 8, and you're now ready to go forward 1 for our second section. Now remember, you can take these sections back and watch them as many times as you like. Section 2, we've just come out of a run for 8 and in section 1. We're going to rock forward on 1. We then recover your weight, half, turn, stepping your left foot, and we are prepping on that left foot with the left shoulder, ready to turn left. So that part again, we're rocking forward with the right, recover, half turn, prep. Now we are facing your back diagonal, so we're facing our 730. Now over your left shoulder, we do a half, half, and then step out. Now the roll here is as much as you can on the spot. We don't want to travel too far. Step right, step left. We come out with a prep on the right shoulder, still on our corner. We're going to roll over our right shoulder again on the spot, half, half, coming out, stepping forward, together, back, together. Let's try it with the count, nice and slow. We're facing our front 130 corner, rocking forward 1, 2, and 3, 430 corner, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and just to include it there. And I think I said 430 corner, it's your 730 corner, my apologies. So we are going to do a bit of a cross count here, just to make it a little bit easier. Forward together, back together. Let's do it one more time, back to our 130 corner, right foot rocking forward, 1, 2, prep, 3, roll, 4, prep, 5, turn, 6, and 7, and 8, and ready for our third section. Now for section 3, you are facing your 730 corner. Your weight is on your right foot. You've done your step, together, back, together. Turning to the left, we straighten up to our back wall and we sway to the left, sway to the right. Now what we're going to do, we're going to turn this around to the front so you can see what needs to happen. So we are going to pretend this is now your back wall. We're facing our 730 corner, just pretend with me. Straightening up to the back, we sway left, swaying to the right. We're going to do a full turn to the left, quarter, half, quarter, starting with your left foot, quarter, half, quarter. We're now going to sway to the right, sway to the left, into our right foot scissor step with a cross push. Step together, push, quarter turn, ready to walk forward, 2 steps. And that's going into our next section there. Come back to the right foot sway, to the right, to the left, step together, cross. You're going to kind of bend that knee, recover into your quarter turn, 2 slow walks. Now let's do it with the count, facing the front here with me, pretending it's our back wall. Sway to the left, 1, 2. We're going to roll, 3 and 4, 5, 6, scissor step, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 into our last section. Face it back with me. We're going to do our third section now facing the back wall. We just practiced to the front so you could see what was happening. So we are facing our 730, weights on our right foot. Straightening up to our back, so a little 1/8 of a turn left, we sway. Left, right, we're going to roll to the left, quarter, half, quarter, sway right, left, scissor step, side together, cross with your walk into your next section. For the last section of the dance, we've already made our little quarter turn. We've done our cross rock into our quarter. So we push that right foot knee for 8 and is your recover. Quarter turn, we step forward on the right, step forward on your left. The next section here is a little quick forward, quick back, slow forward, slow back. Step together, back together. We then step forward on the right, drag the left foot in. We step back on the left, sweep the right foot to the side, ready to finish up behind, quarter turn, step together, end of dance. Now let's try with the 2 walks forward, right foot lead with the count, walking forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Let's try a little bit smoother, a little bit quicker. Right foot walking forward, right, left, step together, back together, drag and sweep, behind, turn, step, and we're ready to start again. We've now completed all 4 sections. Now you can take this video back, use the chapters below if you need to jump back anytime you like. I'm going to do a demo all the way through. Enjoy this one. It's called Ain't Supposed to Be by Sally Talbot.
All this was supposed to be just for fun. Yeah, you were never supposed to be the one. I wasn't either. But before I knew we were, wildflowers going through the cracks of the concrete in a downtown sea of a lonely. Baby, I found you and you found me, and we found love where it ain't supposed to be. In the last call bar where we were supposed to leave. Oh, we were 2 lost hearts on break, broken things, and we found love where it ain't supposed to be, supposed to be, supposed to be. People ain't supposed to find this love anywhere else but a pickup truck under the street lights. At 2 a.m. how did we find, a new flame catching in the middle of a hard rain? Looking back, it had to be a God thing that I found you and you found me, and we found love where it ain't supposed to be. in a downtown